Hi, my name is Sonali Chaudhary. I am from Bhagalpur, Bihar. I have completed my Bachelor in Computer Application from AS College, Devghar in 2021. I was looking for a job, then I found Evision Technoserve and their OGT program. I found that Evision Technoserve is a IT recruitment and consulting company. Then I decided to join the Evision Technoserve. After joining the internship, there was a different module like CCNA, Windows administration, Linux administration, cybersecurity, and a different trainer for each module like Roshan sir, Raju sir, Vibhusit sir, Tarun sir, Manu sir. During internship, I learned different administrative tools like event viewer, task scheduler, device management, local users and groups, password policy, how to take OS backup using recovery drive, and I also learned how to share file or folders, and also learned about RDC and their tools, and I also learned how to make drive secure using BitLocker encryption. And after that I learned about Windows to serve Windows Server 2012 R2 domain and workgroup environment, Active Directory, domain service, domain controller, and I also learned how to create new users and process of domain joining. And I also learned how to install so many OS using WDS, Windows Deployment Service. After that, I learned about Outlook, how to configure Outlook, how to take backup in Outlook. After that, in CCNA, I learned how to take remote access of router using Telnet or SSS. I learned about concept of subnetting and concept of VLAN. Also learned different routing protocol like OSPF, RIP, EIGRP, etc. Then I learned different troubleshooting like driver issues, printer issues, Outlook issues, sending mail and receiving mail issues, BSOD issues, black screen issues, etc. and PST and OST file issues. Now I am very confident and I can say I can crack the interview in first attempt. And I am very excited to show my skill and knowledge to real time interview. Thank you.